Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country on Klarna. First, create or log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one. If you already have an account, simply log in. Once logged in, open the Klarna. Tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. From your profile page, tap Settings. Look for the Change Country option. Select your new country from the list and save your changes. Important: changing your country may affect the availability of certain services or offers in your new location. Make sure to select the country where you are currently located to avoid issues. If you encounter restrictions or unavailable features after changing your country, contact Klarna support for assistance. And that's it. That's how to change country on Klarna. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.